Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lopez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with burglary of a building? That the state jail felony range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 that you've reached with the state. Has anyone promised you anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 198 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $1,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge. I believe the intention for the state was for it to be a judgment.
Let's break that down. State jail felony like burglary of a building might sound low tier, but it still packs prison time up to 2 years. And a $10,000 fine? That's not a slap on the wrist. That's a financial chokehold. This isn't misdemeanor mischief, folks.
All right, state, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items court will accept into evidence states Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'd ask the court to follow the agreement.
All right, why are you doing this? How old are you?
I'm 23.
All right. According to the police reports, you're causing disturbance at your parents' home and you're committing burglary of a building at this church. Why are you doing this?
So I go to that church,
Yeah. That moment of silence, that wasn't just awkward, it was loud. It's the kind of loud that screams, I might be guilty, but I'm hoping no one asks me to explain how. Spoiler, they will.
because it's an amphitheater church, and I just like to walk the stage and listen to music. That's what I usually do. I go there to free my mind at night. And it just so happened that the time that I needed to use the restroom, I saw that there was a door open. And I didn't plan anything. I just was just curious why the door was open. And it's just something that I know I made a mistake.
Well, I mean, you made choices that were not good choices.
Yes, that's right. But I was really just curious. I did not plan anything like that. And it's just something that I ended up walking into.
And then they said that there was money missing.
This is a prime example of a courtroom shift from legal to personal. The judge isn't just sentencing now, she's parenting, probing. She's trying to figure out what led a 23-year-old from stage walking at church to allegedly pocketing $600 from the offering tray.
They said there was money missing after you had walked into the church and left. So it's more than just walking and being curious. You understand?
I believe that's the mistake there.
Well, I mean, did you take money or not? Because they're saying that you walked in, there was money before you walked in, and when you left, money was missing.
Yeah.
$619.50 was reported missing from the church cafeteria. How far did you go in school?
I made it to the last month of my senior year. It
Why?
was a school in the country of North Dakota, in the very country there. It was a school where there's only 10 kids in my class. Mm-hmm. And the same 10 kids attend that same school from preschool to their senior year. And so when I went back to my senior year there, they were really judgmental of me. My parents are part of the military, so I live in a lot of different.
Well, let me ask you this, because there are a lot of people who have parents who are in the military. Your mom said that you have been causing disturbance at the home.
And I could tell you that my family that I've explained to, that the way that my mom is being, they could say that a lot different of a story than what she's trying to.
Well, you're 23. You need to get a place of your own
That's
instead of
because,
living with your mom.
My bad for interrupting. I was 19 when I first got incarcerated, and I was recently released a few months ago. So that's the reason why I'm 23 and still there now, because I was 19 before I was incarcerated.
And what's with this teardrop?
It's for a lot of things. It's not anything bad.
What is it for?
Burn a lot of bridges that I've had, and because of that, I've lost a lot of people in my life.
So here's the thing. I really don't have a problem with tattoos. People can do whatever they want to, but teardrops beneath the eye have certain connotations. I don't know why people start tattooing their face. If you want to tattoo your face, fine, but your job prospects are going to be limited. And it's going to be limited to maybe being an actor, maybe investing in concealer, maybe working with a band, or maybe, who knows, there'll be some great person who will see past the tattoos.
Oh, that right there was a warning in disguise. Judges aren't in the business of career counseling, but when they start listing off what industries might still hire you with a face tattoo, that's your sign you've burned more than just a bridge. You've torched your resume.
So what is his criminal history?
I believe he's currently on felony probation in another county, Judge.
All right, and what are you on felony probation for?
And aggravated robbery.
Ah, thank you. Now I know what's going on. This is why I ask these questions. So the court is finding him guilty. The court is going to sentence him to 198 days in the Bexar County Jail under 12.
The judge just connected the dots. Aggravated robbery. That's the puzzle piece this whole story was missing. Now the burglary. The prior disturbance, even the teardrop tattoo, it all fits. This isn't just a misstep, it's a pattern.
44. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. There's to be no contact and restitution, if any, to city, community, church. And the court will show that this judgment is satisfied so that the other county can come pick you up. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You better do better. Otherwise, you're going to end up the rest of your life in somebody's prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.